And you said your sister and your dad
Both dead.
but still got a mom, though?
Killed by a dark elf.
Best friend?
Stabbed through the heart.
You sure you're up to this particular murder mission?
You know, I'm 1,500 years old. I've killed twice as many enemies as that, and every one of them would have rather killed me, but none succeeded. I'm only alive because fate wants me alive. Thanos is just the latest in a long line of bastards, and he'll be the latest to feel my vengeance. Fate wills it so.
And what if you're wrong?
Well, if I'm wrong, then what more could I lose?